They'll pick on you. They'll judge you. They'll think the worst of you. They'll hate on you. They'll spread rumors about you. They'll abuse you. They'll wish you didn't exist. Yet through all of that, the Almighty will make you to rise and shine above them all. So keep smiling. There are many who are sad and disillusioned because they fail to appreciate what the Almighty has bestowed on them. They scoff at His blessings because they are too busy admiring the fake life portrayed by some on social media. Show gratitude before it's taken away from you. Life will never be easy. The Almighty has promised that He will test us again and again. So pray for strength and resilience to withstand what lies ahead. Pray that He grants us patience, wisdom and understanding to go through whatever challenges and tribulations that come our way. Talk is easy. Talk is cheap. But the real test is whether we put our words into action. Think of the consequences of what we're saying and whether it's beneficial. Remember that our words have power and what we say can affect people around us. So choose your words wisely. Humbling yourself is not easy, especially when everything around you tells you to make it about me. Me. Stepping away from your pride, however, is a necessary step to living a life that's meaningful. Help others, listen more. Make it about the other person for a change. Wasting time is worse than wasting money. Some will have more money than others. But we all have 24 hours in a day. It's not possible to buy more time. Remember, money can be earned. It comes back to you. But a wasted minute is gone forever. So use your time wisely. It's always easy to make things more problematic and negative than they really are. The next time you catch yourself making a mountain out of a molehill, ask yourself how much of it will matter in 5 years. Or, even next month. Change your mindset so you don't overthink. Pay attention to what you're focusing on most of the time. Listen to what you're saying. How much time do you devote to petty, mindless and negative things? There's only so much you can take on in a day. Be selective. Focus on the positives, on things that matter in the long run. Maturity is when you stop complaining, making excuses and blaming others for what's going on in your life. It's easy to look for scapegoats. But a mature person realizes that whatever happens is a result of choices made. For change to occur, you need to make new choices. When you don't understand the Almighty's plan, you're more likely to lose hope and feel despondent. You think you're doing everything wrong and you're unsure about what lies ahead. But don't give up. Keep asking Him. He's all-knowing. He will steer you in the right direction.